This is a big order at the I Love Jesus charm bracelet, the mystery jewelry boxes, got a pink, reddish, cherry bracelet. I just sold out of that one. The light purple glass bead bracelet. I gotta hurry up and pack these orders because I gotta go to the post office. The post office closed at 5, already like 3 something, so I like to be on time. Somebody ordered the TV girl matching charm bracelets. These are the freebies. Don't mind my hands. If you watched the video all the way through, let me know. Here to the side. This is more of my setup when I'm posting videos. But yeah, this is what the mystery jewelry boxes look like. So we got 2 of these. TV girl bracelets. Okay, I need to put my stuff together. And then I got my thank you cards. I designed them myself. This is what it looks like. I designed it on Canva. It's kind of getting loud in the background. I'm just kind of setting stuff up. So got my stickers. So this is what the 2 orders look like. This is a small one, and this is a big one. These are my freebies. This is a freebie. So I do add freebies with each order. This just shows you I need a better system. Like when I record videos for YouTube and just social media platforms and all that, I gotta get myself together. Behind the scenes, it's definitely not perfect. I just try my best to. I like adding these butterflies. Just adds more to my business because you know that's my logo. So that's like what I'm going for. Since this is a bigger order, I put them in my bigger ones. I need to order me some more of these so it can come quicker. Normally when I get them, I don't get them from Amazon. I get them from China, but I'm gonna just order them from Amazon. Yeah, I'm starting to run out of stuff. Finally got it. I have to put my light back. I don't have to have all this stuff over here. It's like chaotic. Okay. This ring light. I have other vlogs on my channel, guys. Feel free to tune into those too. Okay, I like using a ring light because it helps me. Because I don't really have enough light in my room. Even if I open my windows to get natural light, it's really hard. So that's why I got a lamp. And I use my ring light to help with the video quality. So that's what it looks like. And then I got the shipping label on it. Added some stickers. I like packing orders. It's nice to see what you guys get, and it makes my day. I'm starting to tie these now. Also, if you want to see the final video of me, of the video I'm showing behind the scenes, just check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And then put my fragile stickers because I want the post office to be careful with the orders. These are my jackets. I gotta hang it up. I think I'm gonna do some clean organizing in this video too. Let me print. Before I print the label out, I have to put the width and height, and I just drop it off at the post office after I put the shipping sticker. So this is like the process. I gotta put the weight, so I'm gonna get my scale. So yeah, there's more that goes into the packaging because I gotta weigh everything. And then being a business owner isn't easy, but I'm just really having fun with it now. Push review. Then I pay for the shipping label, which was $4. Print the label out. You definitely get used to certain things over time. So I do be going live on my YouTube, but yeah, I'm pretty grateful for all the blessings. 2 packages. If you're struggling with growing your business, definitely look up YouTube videos because it helps me. Like, really take in the information. That's a tip I can give for any business owners. And just really take your time with everything. I'm gonna go run to the post office right quick. This is gonna be my dinner. And we're about to go. Normally, when I get more orders, I use purple one. For small orders, should I like get like small box? But I think I'm gonna get mine on Amazon. It seems like it's gonna come sooner than later. This is what it looks like. If somebody for small orders, I can put it in that box. I don't know. Oh, that's so neat. Then you got the freebies in this bag. The earrings in there like that because they're already in the bag. And the other earrings are in here. These are pineapple earrings. That's like the free gift. Oh, it's about to fall. I put my orders in here. I put it on here so tomorrow we have to go to the post office. I'll be ready. Got my bed made up. Did some cleaning. I put the orders right here. I normally do that. I just cleaned my desk. Don't worry, the spray didn't go by the bracelets. Make me some more CB rings or CB necklaces. So yeah, I'll probably make a video on it or I might just do it right now. But we'll see. I'm so grateful for all the orders.